Our paper in International Journal of Clinical Practice, Obesity Dilemma and Global Burden of Cardiovascular Disease, presents results of the retrospective cohort analysis on connection existing between the obesity and cardiovascular disease. As we all know, obesity is associated with greater prevalence of cardiovascular disease, namely the arterial hypertension, metabolic syndrome, and diabetes, coronary artery disease, and others. In this way, coexistence of obesity is considered a significant and relevant comorbidity in the cardiovascular disease continuum. On the other hand, and conversely to the expectations, there is a quite extensive number of reports that noticed improved prognosis, primarily the mortality in obese patients when comparing with peers of similar disease entity and of normal body weight range. Later was confirmed in several cohorts of patients as with myocardial infarction, heart failure, chronic kidney disease, and for patients treated with hemodialysis. This term of improved prognosis related with being obese is known as the obesity paradox. Our study was the post-hoc cohort analysis of 300 consecutive patients scheduled for stationary rehabilitation in University Hospital Thalassotherapy Opatija due to recent treatment for ischemic or valvular heart disease by means of conservative treatment, PCI treatments, and cardiovascular surgery. In study set of patients, body mass index positively correlated with left ventricular dimension and thickness, and there was no significant connection of different types of obesity with prevalence of chronic comorbidities, increased nutritional risk, laboratory diagnostics, or well-established prognostic parameters as left ventricular systolic function. Although existence of obesity paradox in clinical practice was in part reaffirmed with our study, one must not disregard that active lifestyle modification, improvement in dietary habits, regular physical exercise, and active treatments of obesity altogether improve outcomes of diseases from the cardiovascular disease continuum. In conclusion, connections of obesity and nutritional status with cardiovascular disease or their treatments deserves further investigations in order to improve our knowledge, treatment efficiency, and quality of life to our patients. Thank you for your time.